In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Collections section. Let's start with Photos. Scroll, hold one you wanna get rid of and pick multiple thanks to those dots at the top left corners. If you want to keep some of them, tap at the top right corner of a chosen one. And when you're finished, select Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from collections, pick one of your albums. Hold one of your photos and select them the same way. The only difference is this time Bin button is at the top right corner. So click on it and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!